Did you know that you can fund your education abroad without needing a co-applicant or collateral? Yes, it's possible. But many students miss out on this opportunity because they are unsure where to start. Hi everyone, I am Simran, co-founder at Epicred and your trusted guide through the education loan process. Don't worry, we are here to simplify the process for you. So let's start with some basics. Traditionally, banks ask for two things while offering an education loan. First is collateral. This could be property, fixed deposit or any other assets that act as security for the loan. Second is a co-applicant, typically a parent or a family member who agrees to share the repayment responsibility. While these requirements aim to reduce the lender's risk, they often create challenges for the students who don't have these resources. But thankfully, there are options available for loans without collateral or the co-applicant. When it comes to lenders offering education loans without collateral or the co-applicants, there are four main categories to consider. First is the public sector banks. They provide loans up to 75 lakhs for the students admitted to the selected top tier institutes. These banks are known for their low interest rates, but the processing time can be relatively slow. Next, we have private banks, which offer quicker processing and the higher loan amounts, often going up to 1 CR, making them a great option for students who need a larger sum. Then there are non-banking financial companies, that is NBFCs. They stand out for their competitive interest rates and flexible terms, catering especially to the students targeting prestigious global universities. Finally, the international lenders focus on programs at universities with strong employability rates. These lenders provide loans without collateral or co-signers, covering up to 80% of the education cost, with interest rates starting from 11%. Each lender type has its own strengths, and choosing the right can depend on your specific needs and goals. When deciding between the Indian and the international lenders, it's important to consider the key differences. The Indian lenders often provide the lower interest rates and offer the tax benefits under Section 80E of the Income Tax Act. However, loans may require the collateral and a co-applicant unless you are admitted to a premier institution. Whereas the international lenders are ideal for the students heading to the top global universities, and they specialize in no collateral loans and offer flexible repayment options tailored to the international student. The application process is often fully online and the loans can cover up to 80% of your total education loan expenses. However, the interest rates might be slightly higher than those of the Indian lenders. At Epicred, we guide you in comparing these options to make an informed decision based on your financial needs and career aspirations. Now, we understand that the eligibility is a key factor in securing the education loans without collateral or the co-applicant. Typically, lenders look for students admitted to the top global universities, often ranked in the top 200, as these programs are seen as low risk due to their high employability outcome. GRE or GMAT scores, if applicable, can strengthen your application, showcasing your academic aptitude. Additionally, a strong undergraduate academic record is very essential as it reflects your ability to excel in the rigorous program. Some lenders also value the work experience, preferring candidates with at least 3 years in the workforce and a minimum salary of 35,000 per month. But at Epicred, we simplify this process by carefully evaluating your profile and connecting you with the lenders who offer the best chances of approval tailored to your strengths. Now, coming on to the application process for an education loan without collateral or a co-applicant, it involves a few straightforward steps. First, ensure that your chosen course and universities are recognized by the lender. This step is very crucial as many lenders have specific list of eligible programs and institutions. Next, determine the total loan amount required, accounting for tuition fees, living expenses and the other costs. You can also check out a detailed cost of study abroad calculator. Once that is clear, it's time to select a lender. At Epicred, we make this step hassle-free by comparing options from over 15 plus lenders to find the best match for your needs. After selecting a lender, you'll need to submit the necessary documents such as your admission letter, academic records and the proof of identity. Finally, upon approval, the loan amount is disbursed directly to your account or the university. And with Epicred by your side, every step of this process is seamless, ensuring you get the financial financial support you need without any stress. We understand that there are a lot of challenges involved. Loans without collateral or a co-applicant come with several unique and beneficial features. Interest rates typically range from 9% to 14%, varying based on the lender and your individual profile. Many of these loans including a moratorium period, giving you time before you start the repayment, and they also offer the flexible repayment options and many more. So to sum it up, we simplify the process of securing education loans without collateral or co-applicant, offering free assistance from application to the post-approval. With partnership across 15 plus lenders, we ensure that you get the best deal by negotiating competitive interest rates, favorable repayment terms and customized offers. Our team supports you every step of the way, from the document submission to the loan disbursement, and all of this comes at no cost to you, as we earn our commission directly from the lenders. Ready to get started? Visit our website or book a free consultation today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights about education loan. Thank you so much for watching the video.